trout. Try to remember, you want to wet your hands. Cool. Yeah, I'll lift her. These two big guys here.
Oh, huge perch, man.
Hopefully it didn't swallow it.
Oh, nice one. There you go.
That's a good one there. Yeah. Man. Hello everybody, welcome to another adventure of LT Outdoors. Back at it again with my buddy Rick. And yeah, we're doing some more pan fishing today on a whole nother different lake. Been killing it on every lake. I'm telling you, this is the time of year to be out, guys. However, this is a smaller lake. As you guys know, I don't tell on smaller lakes, but this is a brand new lake for us. So I'm just telling you right now, if we can do it this good on a brand new lake, anybody can. Just follow these kind of things, man, and it's not that bad, especially in the springtime. You'll love it. So hope you guys enjoy this. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Good looking clean fish. See, I gotta kiss it. There's another one. That feels like a bigger one. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh yeah. Nice. Ow. What you think, baby girl? No, you can't eat.
Well, you're getting your exercise. That looks really nice when you get it done.
I'll be so glad when this is done.
Ooh, there's a bigger one. Look at that. That's a pig. Wow.
That's a dandy there.
The color on that thing. That's a big male.
Yep.
Probably a 10. Beautiful male. Oh man. Oh, I got it. That's a big one. Thought I missed it. Nice gill. Good eater size there. That's what you get for giving me Taco Bell, Dad. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. Is that a rock bass? It is. They're in here. Wow, look at the size of that thing. Yeah. I was starting to wonder if they were in here.
That was cool.
You broke braid?
No.
Oh, I thought that was your braid. There we go. A little better. Bass or panfish? Oh yeah, looks like a big gill. Oh no, that's a bass. Oh, that's a giant rock bass, dude. That might be a master angler, and that's hard to get nowadays. 12 for a rock bass. Used to be 11.5, which was doable, but yep, definitely a male. That's a giant, oh man. 10.25. Still a freaking awesome rock bass. Yeah. That was out randomly. Feels like a big one too. Oh yeah, nice kill. nice one. Pretty. I got a quick one. Almost get on the dock. Ooh, dude, this is a big one. The way it's fighting, this feels really good. Oh yeah, it's a gill. Nice.
Yeah, sweet, man. God, they're pretty.
That's a
Oh
big female. Beautiful colors. I'm gonna just measure that one. You wanna? 9-inch. Put it back when I was ready to fill it, or ooh, that's another big one. That's a rock bass or a largemouth though. I think it's a largemouth. Yep. You see it, Gemmers? Is it fighting in that clear waters? Does it taste good, Gemmers? Is it bass flavored? Oh, is that a pike?
Yep.
First pike, man. Pig pounder.
Pig pounder with the.
Oh, well. Do you have one? Oh, big one. Get him. Oh, he's after it still. Get it. There you go. That's a huge sunfish, man. That's probably your master angler. Wow. Look at the colors on that thing.
Oh. Let me get my fish off.
How you guys doing out there then?
Nope. 8 1/4.
Yeah. Got
Did you have a hit? Ooh, that's a big sunfish, dude. That is pretty. Yeah, if I got one mounted, I'd want one like that, man. Oh yeah. Now the wind's gonna blow us right to it. Oh, dude, that is a huge gill. Come on. Oh man. Oh, that ain't the one I seen. That's a big sunfish, though. There's a huge gill right there.
so pretty.
Yeah. Oh, there was definitely a master angler gill that came out after that. Oh, you got him still? Good one?
Yep.
Oh yeah, big sunny. God, they're so pretty in that water. They're almost blue in the tail. God, gorgeous, man. That's awesome. What are you using there?
Apache.
Apache and the pig pounder, or Pannie
Pannie.
pounder. Nice. Ooh, that's a good one. I don't know what that is, but that's a good fish. Rock bass.
How dark are you?
You want it?
No.
I think somebody trapped it, 'cause there ain't nothing fresh on that beaver lodge. Oh man, that was... I just missed something. That's a bass. That's gotta be... Oh, that's a big bass. Better one anyway. Oh. Tell he's been working on the beds. Look at that tail.
Yep.
Shredded. Might, oh man, because we're on this weird drop. They might be right along this. Oh yeah, big one. Come on. Oh man. Got it. That's a good one. Yeah, they're on this little drop. Oh yeah, she loves being in the boat. You stop, girl. Oh man, big one. Got it. Oh, that's a big sunfish. Big sunfish. God.
Some beautiful fish in here.
Yeah, huge. Ooh, that's a bass. That's a decent one too.
See that?
Yep. Nice. Pretty fish. Ooh, big dude. Huge sunfish. This might be the biggest I've ever seen.
Holy cow.
Oh,
You're going into the boat. That's huge.
dude, look how pretty that is. Good God. Wow, I've definitely never seen one that big and that pretty. Usually when they get bigger, they're changing color. Sunfish. Or is that a rock? That's a rock bass. Good one though. Heck yeah, man. Nice. Bass. Dang it. Ooh. Got it.
Splish, splash.
Rick was taking a bath.
He's got a big one.
It's a nice bass. Thank you, girl. I keep forgetting to hit the record button, guys. It's got another big sunfish. Ooh, big fish. Big gill. Probably my biggest gill today. That's a nice one. Ooh, came right out too. Oh, whoo! Oh. I was recording it and I didn't know it. And dude, somehow this didn't get wet. I got no idea how. God. Feels good, actually. No, it hurt. The water feels good. My legs are bruised. Big shout out to my monthly patrons. Thank you guys so much for signing up to Patreon. Sign up today, guys. You can sign up for as low as $1 a month, and it helps out a whole lot. This season at LT Outdoors has been brought to you by Freedom Baitz. Go to freedombaits.com and use discount code LT Outdoors. Gets you 10% off. Also, Widowmaker Lures. My favorite lures are on this website. Go to widowmakerlures.com, use discount code LT Outdoors, gets 10% off. Stone Tackle. Make sure you go to stonetackle.com and check out the awesome jig boxes. They've got boxes that'll hold all of your jigs in one box. And use discount code LT Outdoors, gets you 15% off. And Hizia.com. Check out Hizia for a great line of outdoor footwear. Use discount code LT15, gets you 15% off. And if you're looking to get LT Outdoor lures, you can visit these wonderful locations.
Rule number 1 for surviving Zombieland: cardio. When the virus struck, for obvious reasons, the first ones to go were the fatties.